Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to control who can see your Messenger story, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the settings button at the top on the right side next to your username. Scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page to the what people see section and click on story controls. That's the last option. Who can see your story? Public, meaning anyone on Messenger or Facebook can check it out. Friends, so only your Facebook friends, or you can customize it by selecting certain people. Here you can also see the stories that you have muted, and the new stories notification dot can be enabled. Show a notification dot on the stories tab when friends share new stories. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.